9. Surah Al-Tawbah, the immunity. Surah 113 according to the order of revelation. This is a Madni surah revealed in the 9th year of Hijrah after the battle of Tabuk. It has 129 verses in 16 sections. The basic subject of the surah are the non-believers who broke their treaties. Muslims have no obligation to honor treaties with them. Muslims must protect themselves from hypocrisy, weak faith and negligence. Battle of Tabuk and its lessons. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. Proclamation that the Treaty of Hudaybiyah is cancelled. Number 2. Honor the treaties with those who honor them. Fight with those who have broken the treaty. Number 3. Mushrikeen are forbidden to the caretakers of the Masjidul Haram. Number 4. Muslims should trust Allah, not just their numbers. Number 5. Jews and Christians also committed shirk. Command to spend in the path of Allah the correct number of months. Number 6. The Tabuk expedition. Number 7. Those who stayed behind and did not participate in the battle of Tabuk, hypocrites and weak in faith. Number 8. The proper distribution of charity. Those who speak ill of the Prophet or make fun of Allah and His book. Number 9. The hypocrite man and woman.